Chin up, eccentric, isometric pauses, arching, bar. Are you working towards your first chin up, or do you have a weak spot where you always seem to fail in the chin up? Eccentric chin ups with isometric pauses are a great way to build strength, increase overall chin up numbers, and target your weak spots. As the name suggests, the focus is on the eccentric phase of the chin up. If you find bodyweight eccentric pauses easy, you can add weight to increase the intensity. Allow your form and the pauses to dictate the load and not the other way around. Start by standing on an elevated surface that allows you to bring your chest to touch the chin up bar. Grip the bar with a supinated, palms facing up, grip. Keeping one foot on the elevated surface, bring your chest to the bar and actively pull down on the bar to create tension in the back and bicep muscles. Once you have found tension, lift the foot off the elevated surface and hold your chest to the bar or as close as you can get it to the bar for the prescribed isometric hold time. In this variation, we are using an arched body shape. The knees are bent, the heels are pulled towards the butt, and the chest is pointing up to the chin-up bar. This shortens the lever length and allows for a much stronger contraction of the back muscles. It can take some time to master this shape, but your pull-up strength and numbers will increase when you do. After holding the top position, lower down to a 90-degree elbow bend and pause again for the prescribed time. Next, lower down to a 30-degree elbow bend and pause again for the prescribed time. Finally, lower to a dead hang with the elbows locked, the shoulders elevated and the head pushed forward of the arms before letting go of the chin-up bar. The magic is in the positions of the isometric holds. The three positions demonstrated in this example are the most common weak spots in the chin-up. You can choose to hold all three pauses or choose to hold only one or two of them. Focus on the positions where you are weakest and hold the pauses in those positions. If you are working towards your first chin up, I recommend you hold all three positions. I would typically start with a 6-second hold in each position and increase this slowly to a 10-second hold in each pause position.